Here we go. You guys ready to come out? You ready to come out? Come on. It's like really bright. Wow. Making another videos like I did last week of the birds just flying around. I'm just trying to clip the door so it doesn't crows on them. There we go. See? Now it's not gonna crows. You guys want to come out? Come on, Ivan. Come on, Sparky. Right, Riley, Milo, Blaine, Blackbeak, Skyven, and Baby. Oh, hang on. What is this? You got something on you. Looks like somebody shit on you. Or you got some shit on you. Yeah, it was only a little piece. Come on. It's alright. You attached to me like a leaf. What's the matter? Come on, we did this last week. Oh, baby don't want to leave me. He doesn't want to leave. There we go. You see? It's alright. I know, we gotta get you some more of these, some more bird stuff to put on top of the cage, like this. It's just like a colorful, bird toy that they play with. It's plastic. I saw it at the pet store one day and I decided to buy it for them. Because I always buy you guys stuff, huh? Alright, Niven, your turn. Come here. Come here. Oh. Hi, honey. Hi, buddy. I still need a picture of you, though. A nice picture. You see? Wow, this is bright. Holy shit. Alright, 2 out, 6 more to go. Come on. I at least want, like, somebody to come out on their own. Oh, there goes Niven going back home. Baby. Shh, it's okay. What's the matters? I know how to get them all out. But it's gonna be a mess of birds if I do that. And it's not so nice either. Come on. You guys are gonna go everywhere. There we go, I told you. Uh-oh. Alright, relax. Stay put. It's okay. No ceiling fans are on. It's alright. Find your way. Blaine! Look at Blaine funny. Oh shit, that was comical. Baby. My baby bear. Come on. Well, not all of them came out. There's still, it looks like 3 in the cage. Oh, there goes Riley. Baby, come here, honey. Baby. This fucking table's here. Come here. Come on. It's all right. Baby. Let me zoom in. Baby. Love you. You should go with your brothers and sisters. And Daddy wants to see you too. Alright, they can't get out that way. So, I don't like scaring Baby. Come on, Baby. You can do it. Come on. Oh, I really thought you were going to do it. Baby. Exercise isn't bad for you. Come here. Come on. Come on. I know, but Look at that doorway. There's enough room for you to fly through. Come on, baby bear. I don't have nothing in my hands. No stick or nothing. Okay? I just want to get you in the other room. Look at all the other birdies. They'll find their way on the cage. They did last time. Come here. Baby. I can't leave you hanging like this. Come here. Come here. Come on. I'm about to fall if I... Come on, baby bear. Baby bear. Oh. Come on. Come on, baby. There you go. Hey. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. All right. I'm going to come out this way. Fuck me. He landed in the plant. Come here. Come here. Shh. I got you. It's okay. It's all right. Come on. All right. Hey. Easy. I'm going to put you on top of the cage, okay? All right? Stay. Shh. Shh. Stay. Stay. It's okay. It's okay. Whew. What the fuck that is? Huh? I didn't think a light would help. Ah, baby. Shit. Okay, I had to stop the camera because he ended up falling in there now. So I got him. I put him in the cage. He's a little shooken up. You okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's what I say. I put you on the cage. Like Niven. Yeah, it's so bright. It's bright. Alright, there are 3 up there. Can't see shit. Why is this so dark? Whatever.